We are really excited to have Bryan Stevenson as the second Scoper lecturer in Christian thought.
He's really inspirational to me just because, he's freed so many wrongly incarcerated people.
I don't believe in the death penalty anyway. So Bryan Stevenson is one of my heroes.
Theological Horizons supports believers and seekers by providing a welcoming community for engaging faith, thought, and life, centered at the University of Virginia. Our Scoper lectures in Christian thought feature eminent speakers who explore the breadth of Christian expression in the arenas of scholarship, science, medicine, the arts, and culture. We were proud to bring together a full arena of community members for this evening with Bryan Stevenson in March 2023, sparking important conversations around justice and unity.
The Lord has done a work in my heart to see UVA as a place that He loves. And I think Bryan's talk about proximity, about a people who are in need of being seen and being heard, is something that UVA needs to hear.
Our whole world at this point in time is about separation. There's increasing separation, increasing segregation. We're in our own enclaves. So how do we create that proximity?
Myself and her, we are victims of August 17th, majority of the Summer of Hate. So it's definitely a privilege and a pleasure to be here, to definitely hear, the words of wisdom, because that means that it's leaving something here in Charlottesville. And it's an honor to have them in Charlottesville.
You don't change the world. You don't increase justice. You don't show a new and brighter future by just having ideas in your mind. Those ideas in your mind have to be fueled by the conviction in your heart.
I first saw the movie Just Mercy while I was in prison. I think it kind of touched everybody in there, because one of the big things about being incarcerated is not feeling seen or not feeling heard. So to be able to go see the man whose memoir I think had such a profound effect on all of us was important to me. And it also inspires me because I'm continuing to look for a direction.
Jesus believed in justice and the rule of law, but He would never approve a system that favored the rich at the expense of the poor.
Everyone on earth has meaning, purpose, calling in their lives, and everyone has a different calling. So I just hope people leave the lecture feeling inspired and start thinking and talking to friends and talking to professors and talking to family about their unique giftings.
Work as hard as you can to prepare yourself to be the best agent of change, to be the best vessel of mercy and justice that you can be. And there are things you need to know. And the more you know, the more you do, the better equipped you'll be. Don't waste any time walking past opportunities to learn and understand things that will deepen your capacity to give, your capacity to serve.